How does Temu coupon bundle works? So basically, Temu coupon bundles is actually a physical number that you can try to find online for you to be able to have a specific discount or a lesser price for a limited products that Temu has. So again, it's not going to be on all of the products that you can use a specific coupon bundle, but it's only a limited product. So for you to be able to have a specific coupon, just simply pull up any web browser from your mobile device and just type in Bougie coupons. Now, once you have typed in Bougie coupons, you can try to hover around these specific links right here, but on my case, I will try on the second one, which is going to be rerouting me to couponsbougie.com. Now, once you tap on that, just simply tap on Start Saving Today and search for Timo. So there, this is what I'm actually talking about earlier. It's gonna be limited coupons. It's not gonna be for free every day, but if you can find one, just simply tap on that. So this is actually a $100 promo coupon code. So as you can see, there is 977 people left, or a specific coupon that you can use. Now, for you to be able to use this coupon, there is actually a captcha that you'll need to follow. For example, you'll need to download any third-party applications for you to be able to complete and have that specific code. Now, once you tap on Show Coupon Code, this is where all the tasks that you can go ahead and unlock that code. So again, you cannot use this for all the products that Timo has. It's going to be a limited products only. So yeah, that's how Temu Coupon Bundle works.